Did you sing hymns as a kid growing up?
I did. My dad would get on the piano, and that's what we pretty much sang, hymns.
It's just a really beautiful song. I remember it from when I was a child.
And whenever I was sick, she would often sing that song to kind of soothe me.
It's a very good topic.
Yes. And you strike me like someone that has a couple favorite hymns.
Too many.
Oh, come on now. Give us a couple.
And as a Christian, we learn that God is going to bring you through whatever you're going through.
And reflecting on those words, it actually changed that memory that was attached, that was sorrowful, to one that was joyful.